Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Stakeup Farm and it just launched 2 days ago. So I will just give you a short introduction regarding this project and then I will show you a critical issue, a critical issue. So stick to me to the end, or at least take one more minute of your time to listen to the critical issue. So first of all, what is it? So you invest BUSD, you have to invest at least 25 BUSD, then you can mint this SAF token, and you get 6% daily rewards, and if you stake, you will even get 12% daily rewards, and you can sell them here, and you can even buy a booster. So for example, you can buy a booster, you can boost your rewards for 1.5%, and this will cost you 175 BUSD. So basically that's what it is, easy to understand. But now we have the big problem, the big problem, guys, and I'm not gonna lie to you. It has been audited by George Stamp, and he usually does good audits. And as you can see here, you have to invest at least 25 BUSD, 6% daily return, blah blah blah. But guys, now listen to me. Now we have the interesting part. So it was audited, and listen here, guys, the summary, the summary. This smart contract has been reviewed by George Stamp. The interesting part is here. After careful examination of the contract, George Stamp found one backdoor which allows draining the BUSD balance of the contract, which represents half of the contract. Since the backdoor needs owner privilege, users can choose to trust the team or not. Always do your own research. So what does it mean? First of all, if you mint SUV SAF, let's call it SAF, okay, they are not listed on any exchange, so they are not on PancakeSwap or anywhere else. So that means you give them your BUSD, and now listen, let me explain to you. You can just sell them here, and that means, for example, you give them 100. Let's say Julia, we call her Julia, Julia wants to invest 100 BUSD, okay? So she's gonna mint the SAF token. And then she's hoping that she will get 6% daily rewards, And let's say then there's the team and the devs, Let's say one day they wake up and one day the devs see, okay, we have now, let's say 300K in the contract, okay, in the contract. That means, for example, let's say they have 3 devs. Now they can decide, first of all, crypto is not regulated. You have no idea, are they in Guatemala, are they in Germany, are they in Sweden, in Australia? You have no idea who they are and where they are. So then the devs have the opportunity, they can say, okay, do we want to continue paying Julia the 6% daily rewards? Or, for example, we have 300K in the contract, we just drain, because they are allowed to drain it regarding the contract. They can say, okay, we're gonna drain the 300K and every one of us will get 100K. So, guys, would I invest in this project? Hell no, of course not. This is like, I will tell you, give me 100 bucks, I can give you $6 back daily, but I have also the option to take your 100 bucks and don't give you anything back. So, for example, if they have the option, if they have the idea, after 1 week they will just drain and all the money is gone. And there's no, so you will still have your SAF tokens here, but you can't sell them anywhere. You can just sell them here. And if there are no BUSD, you just have your SAF tokens and you can't sell them. So that's a big no-go. I'm not gonna tell you, use my link, it's a great project. Maybe some other guys do it. Use my affiliate link, you're gonna make some good rewards. No, guys, that's a big no-go, I would not invest in this because they can take all the money. For example, if they have 100K, after 4 days, they can just drain the BUSD. You have your SAF tokens and you can't sell them anywhere, guys, anywhere. So my advice, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, Always do your own research before you invest in any of those projects. But for me, that's a big no-go. I would say, you don't even know the guys. You don't know where they are, who they are, whatever, They can just take the BUSD and run. That's it. They don't even have to run because it's not regulated at all, guys, okay? So, that's my opinion regarding this project, guys. As always, do your own research before you invest your own money. And yes, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.